Hello to you, my gorgeous nail lovers. You're welcome back to my channel, Nail Vibes, the channel that gives you the very best in trendy and unique acrylic nail art designs. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. So in case I see my channel for the very first time, or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So gorgeous friends, watching this video which I have for you today, you will see that I have good and unique compilations of trendy acrylic nail art designs. These nails are very looking so much good. So watch to the end and pick your best lights. And as you watch, kindly support this video by liking the video, okay? Like the video and also feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones. And you can as well save it for your later use. Thank you guys so much. And at the end of the video, please do not forget to go to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my video or my channel in general. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can also watch from there and make your choices. To you, my returning viewers, I say a very big thank you to you guys. Thank you guys so much for always watching and engaging in my videos. Thank you guys, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.